Hello, boys and girls. Okay, so far we have covered this bit, bits and pieces from this bit. We have covered Boolean. You already know what this is, and these are the default things which you get to see right when you're making basic objects. Uh, Now we're gonna be looking at we've already covered the extrusion bit. Now we're gonna be going on to the next one. Yeah. What is it called? Create a revolution. Well, not this one. Create a feeling. Not this one. We'll be going today because you already know the extrusion. So we'll be extruding along a path today, right? Now, in order to do that, first of all, we might as well create a circle. I'll tell you in a bit why that's required. So you put center point as your origin, and for vectors you choose OZ as your axis, apply and close. Now you have your circle, right? Now we gonna be building a plane out of it. So you go to the new entity because you're creating. So we're gonna be making a face out of it. Okay, apply and close. So you have your face one. All that is fine, right? Now can you see these three, three and three, six views which you're seeing here? They're gonna be helpful for you. Why? Because this is giving you the perfect view from the, you can say, the side view, right? And why do we need side view? I'll tell you in a moment, but just to let you see what's happening is now I'm trying to rotate it, but I'm not able to because I haven't toggled this thing up. Okay, so this is the view which you're getting, right? This is what we want at the moment. Why? Because let me just fix the view. Right now, be very careful. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put points on it, right? So on this plane I'm gonna put points on. So one point has been created. Let me zoom out a bit, right, and pan it. Okay, so the next point I want to create is, for example, here. This is a pink dot, right? Apply. So you can select from the screen itself. You don't really have to type in here. Once you know that you are on a single plane, you're on a fixed plane, so you can pretty much do this, right? Apply and close. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be, this thing we haven't used so far, so we're gonna be creating a curve, right? So let's see, so how many options do we have? We have three options, right? So you can create curve by selection point. Yeah, you can have from the Bezier. First one was your polyline, and the last one is your interpolation. So this is what we're gonna be looking at today, right? So when you're selecting points, what you need to do is you go here, press your control key. One point has been selected, two and three have been selected. So this is the poly interpolated line which you're getting. Apply and close. So now, so you have your face, right? Let me rotate it a bit. So you have your face. So this is a curved line, or you can say interpolated line. This is not a vector, right? So you're gonna be extruding your face along this line, right? So how do we do that? We go to the extrusion along a path, base object as your face one, yeah, path object as your curve one. So this is what you're getting. Apply and close. So what do you expect to get? What do you think it is? Is it gonna be a face? Just pause the video for a moment, think through it. Well, it's gonna be a solid because you were extruding from the face, right? So I know these are trivial things, but they are very important. Later on you'll get to know once we are dealing with complex geometries, so you have to keep track of these things. So well, this is your extrusion along a path. So you can pretty much imagine what all you can do with this tool, right? So that's pretty much it for the extrusion along a path. Thank you so much for your time.